Hello, everybody. Welcome to the AI and Web3 podcast for businesses brought to you by TokenMinds. My name is Rob, and today I have with me as a guest Ugrid. Hi, Ugrid. Welcome.
Hi, Rob. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, thank you for being here. As usual, Ugrid is going to walk us through some of the AI development related aspects on a particular topic. Today's topic is AI and game development. We're going to walk through this guide on the TokenMinds blog, starting with the different parts of AI development for games. What are the actual applicable areas here? So it can be applied to the production part, to the QA automation, to the retention. It can be applied for cost reduction. And the adoption is quite parabolic at the moment. There's a lot of developments going on. So let's dive right into it. Let's start with the core applications for AI and game development.
Definitely, Rob. So for the core application in game development, for the AI, we can first develop the AI to use it in the procedural content and design. So normally, we have been develop the game manually with the human power, right? So in this case, we can try to boost up the productivity here by using the generative AI to speed up the process in creating the procedural content that we would need for the dialogues for the characters, and also to create the 3D assets. We can turn from the manual process into the automated process with AI. Yeah, and then human can later do some final minor refinements in order to have the 3D assets generated automatically with the AI. And also, we can apply the AI into creating the adaptive NPCs and more interactive gameplay, to create the more immersive experiences for the players, where the NPCs can learn and adapt on the dialogue based on each gameplays. And it can also help analyze the user strategies in order to adjust how it interacts with the users inside the game. Yes, and apart from that, we can also apply the AI in the testing and the quality assurance process. So we already saw that by applying the TokenMinds QA Copilot, it can help find the bugs, test performance, shortens the QA time, and this improves a lot of the game development process. Where earlier we have to run the QA process manually by the tester, and this is very time taking and also not so efficient. In this case, we can launch the game quicker with the QA Copilot, where the AI agents can automatically look into the videos recording of the tester. The tester can just go through the gameplays, and with the pre-configured list of the bugs to look for, the AI agent can automatically and intelligently look for those kind of bugs from the gameplay recordings. And that already helps a lot in the QA process, where we can also detect the bugs and also generate the reports of those bugs for the later improvements automatically by the AI agents. And we can also apply the AI agents into the personalized player experience development, where we can.
Let's dive before we go to the next topic here, Ugrid. Let's dive a little bit into what you just mentioned, right? Because I think it's an important part for audience that there's two different ways to implement AI for your game in your development process, right? So one is the more broad application. You develop a custom AI implementation. That was what TokenMinds also does for a lot of our gaming customers. But the other way, very efficient way, is out of the box solutions. And I think you just mentioned one very powerful one where we actually carry that solution as well for our clients to provide a QA solution out of the box where clients can directly plug in their QA process and optimize things, make it faster, make it more cost efficient using this solution. So you're not directly touching AI, it's through this particular application, but it is an example where AI makes things way more efficient than how they used to be. And on that topic of specific out-of-the-box solutions, we have a couple of other examples that TokenMinds offers here for our clients particularly, which is the character intelligence. It's also pretty much plug and play. We can dive into that further in a minute for smart NPC behavior. Our animation solution as well. It can automate animation, basically avoiding a lot of manual work on that part. It can generate text to voice. We can implement conversational characters, whether it's in game or outside of the game, through, for example, Discord and other social media channels and live sharing, things like that. We have the QA solution that we just mentioned, a reporting platform as well, and a privately hosted LLM solution for companies, which is for games, but also for other companies out there. Um, so let's dive a little bit further into a couple of the uh, case study part. I think we have one on the QA that we just talked about. Um, Another one mentioned here in the article is for Move It On. Um, can you talk a little bit more about some of the specific case studies of implementations that we specifically did for some of our clients, Ubrid?
Definitely, Rob. So for the case studies, of course, we have test implemented the AI agents into the QA process and the balancing inside the game, where uh, within the implementation, we already found that we have raised satisfaction and also efficiency by quite multiple folds here. Okay, and for the QA process, we can already automatically generate the AI performance report based on the AI agents, and we already found we have like increased decision times, faster decision times. Yeah, so we have decreased the time that we would spend on doing the QA process and generating the performance report of the game. This is like quite a measurable ROI in terms of the game development process here. Yes. So we see the faster cycle of development. We can spot bugs in the easier way, and we can have faster decisions on the next steps in order to proceed with the next step of the game development here. I think that would, yes, yes.
Okay, excellent. Yeah, lastly, let's talk a little bit before our time is over here on the technical architecture of AI implementation, because there's a lot of potential moving parts here, right? You have the agentic layer, you maybe have some dashboard front end elements for stakeholder reporting. Maybe you have some, Oracle solutions, third party API integrations. What is like a kind of a architecture that's basically being involved here particularly?
That would be like the three main layers for the users here. So we have the AI agents, we have the analytics dashboard, and also the decision layer. The first layer being the AI agents that will automatically and autonomously work on their own in order to try to generate the preferred contents here, or it could be the test results here in the case of the QA Copilot. Yeah, and then we have the analytics dashboard that provide the predictions from applying the AI into the game development. And when the user plays on the game, we can see the live ops through the predictive models and see the result on the analytics dashboard here. Yeah, that is one of the uh, module that we can also provide. And also on the last layer, the decision layer, this one we can in real time guide the AI agents in how we are going to optimize the system and make the design decisions in real time. Yes, I think and these are the three main layers that we can and we should implement inside in terms of how we are going to integrate the AI into the system.
Thank you, Ugrid. And yeah, I would encourage our watchers and listeners to deep dive into the article that we have on our website about this topic and many more related ones. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to contact us. And see you next time.